everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland, where I bring new and amazing crypto project for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. So today I'm here with another great project that I'll let you know about. So let's begin and move to our website to know more about the project. But before we begin, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about Seagull Exchange. You must have heard about Seagull Exchange as this is already trending on many of the social channels like Twitter, Telegram, YouTube, etc. So here we are to the Twitter page of Seagull Exchange. Let me tell you that they are launching their website soon, so you can stay tuned with their social channels to be able to understand the Seagull Exchange. You can say that this is one of the most powerful exchange in the crypto era. And here we have the website link that have I already have tell you that they have coming their website soon, so you can stay tuned with their website and you can contact us by entering your email and send message to them to be able, if you have any questions, so you can ask them easily. So here we can see that the details of the project, and now we are going to check the details of the project. And here we have the white paper of Seagull, so you can go to the white paper that they have the crossed over 10,000 times, the value will always exist. Some of their contents are mentioned here that what we have discussed in the video, so we can see the contents that we will be able to go through the project easily to understand the project and to see that how does the project work. And here we can see that they have more features, so you can go through all the features of the project by the white paper. Then they have market environment for exchange platform coins. For the current platform coin market presents the existence of head concentration and functional desertification. Head exchange tokens such as BNB and OKB occupy a dominant position with the ecological advantages, and BNB has a market value of US 54 billion. CoinGecko for monopolization about 60% of the market share. Its value support mainly comes from the destructive and handling fees. IO participant and non-chain applications such as BNB chain and small and medium-sized platform coins face challenges such as the insufficient quality and single application sanctions for 70% of the both tokens and have annualized volatility of over 200%. And for users, they have more features of the project to be able to understand the token, which is easily mentioned. They have market trends and challenges, compliance pressure, a CX regularity review of BNB and other tokens, and enhanced enforcing platform to the straighten their compliance layout such as license operations, KYC upgrades, etc. And they have deflation completion of 80% of platform coins adopted such a destructive mechanism. BNB has destroyed for 37% of the supply, but the inflation model is still prevalent for 20% to 5%. And the ecological expansion, which is on BNB chain, has more than 1 million daily active addresses. But the most platform coins are sustainable for the holders and buyers for their prosperity and distributions. And here we have Seagull more features that they have burned their token for 2% and 5% for the supply and for 2% for their equality of the holders. CGC breakdown from positioning. Extreme deflation of 99% of the token destroyed to $21,000 with scarcity of exceeding BNB and million in circulation. Full ecological penetration embedded in 15 plus scenarios such as its cross-chain gas payment, RW subscription and GameFi equality, etc. Breaking through the functional boundaries of traditional platform coins. Complaints positioning is similar as BNB licenses as support towards the regulatory uncertainty and for data benchmarking. If 1% of the platform coin market share, about USS 4 billion, they have captured for the destructive absorption. So you can see that they have already done their cyber scope and KYC. So you can go through this. They have charm of CGS extreme deflation with a scarcity of revolution consentable for the project. So you can see that they have more features of their permanently of their goal on the team of the upper sections. And then you can see that they have ultimate of total insurance of 21 million with 20.79 instruction, and they have living in 21.1% as a permanent hard cap, and it's scarcity for skills for Bitcoin, which is destructive accelerate for self and destroy for absorptions. So you can see that they have more than of their claim of CGC extreme deletion of scarcity and more destruction. The charm of CGC is stream deflation. Scarcity revolution is contained by code, supply damage for app, and explosion of extremely exhaustions. The Monside CGC is embedded in the 15 plus scenarios and such as cross-chain, gas payment, RWA subscription, GameFi, etc. And the average daily consumption of users increased by 200% annually with the expansion of the ecosystem. Supply side of destruction, staking for reduces, and more. The chain of CGC, extreme deflation as a scarcity revolution of constraining by code, for scarcity is comparable to gold and liquidity exceeds Bitcoin. Scarcity of circumstation of CGC is only of for 21%, and then the charm of the CGC extreme deflation is scarcity revolution for constrained by code, long-term value guarantee. Rules are above humidity code, constraints about destruction, and for more values. DAO governance is more for the holders and they have decided to individuation of parameter adjustment to ensure the construction. SGC ecological closed loop is mentioned here. So SGC ecological closed loop systematic diagram is user transactions and payments, free destructive distillation and increased token scarcity. Staking and Lime liquidity mining, cross-chain RWA GameFi ecosystem, scaling expansion, and governance and community voting, parameter optimum for the admission of the upgrade, and coin holders interest in for bound. So you can see that they have ecological closed loop that is closed for more features, like if you have their construction, then you can simply choose this. They have closed loop value stream for decertification. If the number of users increase by 50% per year, the circumstance of CGC will drop for towards the pieces in 5 years, and then it will be increased by 7.6 times 1.5 meter, and the price increase can reach 100 times per year. Through the 4 levels of consumption destructive staking governance, SGC deeply control the couple's behavior token distribution, and they're becoming a phenomenon token, and the deflation is value in Web3 era. So they have more features of their cold closed loop extreme value of SGC positive nature. Seagull have sustainable ecological development with the more SCG sold by the user and system automatically restores 0.95% directly, reducing the 5% circumstances. Restructure of handling the lease, the platform will invest 10% of the income towards the spot trading and 5cc for required towards a leg staking. And here we have sustainable ecological development of Seagull, which is 80% of the circumstance to lock with patch and 20% for liquidity. Sustainable ecological development have the scarcity of circumstances of the RWA potential RCG holders will complete purpose of the project. Sustainable ecological development have DAO platform that is being towards the financial and circumstance of ecological distribution. And they have token holder proposal voting, their sustainable ecological development, complement next and etc. So you can go through this. And here we have SG looking to the future, year ecosystem invitation and the ecosystem circumstances. They have RWA real adjustments of the project like Seagull EX with more features. They have market value which is USDT $550 million, and they have more features of their GameFi. They have $1 trillion of Eco Empire and more sustainability. So you can go through the details of the project here, that what they have more features of the Seagull platform. So you can go through the details of the Seagull platform right now to be able to understand the Seagull etc. And here we have the details of their moat. Like Seagull is the global 6 community work together to build the CEO platform. And here we have this as a deflationary token that act on the more details of the project. So you can go through this. So all details are mentioned here, so you can go through this. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link of this token in my description, which you can use to access the project. Go through the project by yourself and then you will be able to participate in this. Stay tuned with their new updates, like if you want to get updated, so you can stay tuned with them because they are launching their website. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.